Good morning, good morning mga ka-showbiz at mga kapwa ko Barda fans dyan. Ito, theory lang naman mga ka-showbiz, no? What if ikasal si Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco? Gusto nyo ba yon? Magugustuhan nyo kaya yon? Magiging masaya kayo? At tayong mga Barda? Tara, panoorin natin ang teoryang ito at magbigay tayo ng ating komento, reaction at opinion. Pero syempre kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz. Panoorin at pakinggan ang buong detalye at ikaw na ang humusga.
What if Barbie Forteza was David Licauco's wife? Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super fun topic to dive into. What if David Licauco's crush, Barbie Forteza, was actually his wife? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's explore this hypothetical scenario together. First off, let's set the stage. David Licauco, our beloved actor, has made headlines not just for his talent but also for his charming personality. And Barbie Forteza? She's a powerhouse in her own right. Together, they are a dream team, but what if their relationship went beyond friendship? Imagine this, David and Barbie met on the set of a romantic drama. Their chemistry is electric. You can almost feel the sparks fly every time they share a scene. But what if those sparks turned into something more? What if, after months of filming, they realized they were meant to be together? Now, picture this, David, with his charming smile, finally musters the courage to ask Barbie out on a date. His heart races as he plans the perfect evening, dinner under the stars, their favorite songs playing in the background. The night goes perfectly, and they both realize that they not only share a passion for acting but also a deep connection. And then, fast forward a few years. They've been dating, and the bond is stronger than ever. David decides it's time to take the next big step. They're on a beautiful beach, the sun setting behind them. He gets down on one knee and pops the question. Can you imagine Barbie's reaction? It's a yes filled with joy and love. Now they're married. The perfect couple, Barbie in her stunning gown, David looking dapper in a classic suit. Friends and family gathered to celebrate their love. The happiness is palpable, and fans around the world are cheering for them. The hashtag Team Davidan Barbie trends worldwide. But what would life be like after the wedding? Imagine the couple working together on more projects, creating magic on screen while balancing their personal life. They'd be the ultimate power couple in the entertainment industry. Fans would be all over social media, sharing their favorite moments and speculating about their next big project together. Will they star in a rom-com? A drama? Or maybe even produce a show together? The excitement would be endless. So, what do you think? Would David and Barbie make the perfect husband and wife? How do you envision their life together? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Siyempre napakalaking yes sa akin yan kung sakaling ikasal silang dalawa mga ka-showbiz At siyempre malamang ko yan malaking celebration yan at sobrang magiging masaya yung mga barda dyan, mga barda fans dahil nakita nila yung mga idol nila nagkatuluyan. Hindi po ba? Tapos syempre doon sa celebration na yan, pag kinasal sila, di ba, makikita natin, lalo na kung mangyari nga na nasa beach yung kasal nila, di ba, napakaganda nun habang papalubog yung araw. Di ba, makita natin yung dalawa. Di ba, napaka-romantic siguro yan, no? Mga ka-showbiz. Siyempre, tayo magiging content at magiging masaya na sa narating nilang dalawa. Sa natuloy na pagmamahalan nilang dalawa. At siyempre, magiging masaya din tayo sa paparating na project nila. Sana yung paparating na project nila may kasalan doon sa na yon, kung movie man yan or teleserye, sana ikasal sila doon para paghahanda na sa darating na panahon pagka kinasal naman sila sa totoong buhay. Di ba, napakaganda nun mga ka-showbiz. Kaya naman, kung may komento ka, kung anong naiisip mo dyan, ikomento mo dyan. Pag-usapan natin yan at pupusuan ko yan mga ka-showbiz. Para sa mga bagong balitang showbiz, ugaliang tumutok dito sa ating channel at mag-subscribe mag-subscribe at hit ang notification bell para laging mauna ka sa mga bagong balitang showbiz.